In today's society, wealth is often associated with a flashy lifestyle, social media posts about extravagant purchases, and outward displays of success. However, for many individuals, the idea of growing rich quietly, without drawing attention or inviting envy, is far more appealing. Whether you prefer to maintain privacy, avoid judgment, or protect your relationships, it's entirely possible to build wealth discreetly. The key lies in adopting certain strategies that allow you to accumulate wealth under the radar. In this video, we'll explore 12 actionable and effective hacks to help you get rich without anyone noticing. Master the art of frugality. Frugality is a fundamental principle for those seeking to grow wealth discreetly. Living below your means not only helps you save money, but also ensures you don't draw unnecessary attention to your financial progress. Being frugal doesn't mean depriving yourself of essentials or living an austere life. It means being intentional about your spending. Instead of indulging in luxury homes or high-end cars, opt for practical alternatives that fulfill your needs without making a statement. For instance, drive a reliable, affordable car rather than a flashy one that turns heads. Additionally, avoid flaunting designer brands or expensive gadgets. Instead, invest in high-quality, unbranded items that are durable and functional. Adopting a minimalist lifestyle and focusing on what truly matters will help you save more money while maintaining a low profile. Frugality not only helps you accumulate wealth, but also keeps your financial habits invisible to others. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income can limit your financial growth. To quietly accumulate wealth, it's important to diversify your income streams. This doesn't necessarily mean working multiple jobs. It means developing passive income sources that supplement your primary earnings. For example, you can write ebooks, create online courses, or start a small online business that doesn't require a large upfront investment. Investments are another great way to generate passive income. Consider putting your money into dividend-paying stocks, real estate properties that yield rental income, or peer-to-peer lending platforms. These sources of income allow you to grow your financial resources steadily and discreetly. Since passive income works in the background, it can significantly enhance your wealth over time without anyone noticing the changes in your financial status. Avoid lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest traps that hinders financial growth is lifestyle inflation. As people earn more money, they often feel the urge to upgrade their lifestyles, whether it's moving to a bigger home, dining at expensive restaurants, or splurging on luxury items. While these changes might feel rewarding, they often come at the cost of long-term financial stability. To avoid lifestyle inflation, it's crucial to resist the temptation to spend more as you earn more. For instance, if you receive a salary increase or a bonus, funnel that extra income into savings or investments instead of spending it on material goods. Continue living in your current home, driving your existing car, and maintaining your usual habits. By keeping your lifestyle consistent, you can quietly save and invest the additional income, allowing your wealth to grow unnoticed by others. Invest in assets, not liabilities. The path to quiet wealth involves focusing on acquiring assets rather than liabilities. Assets are investments that grow in value over time, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Liabilities, on the other hand, are items that depreciate in value, like luxury cars, designer clothes, or high-end electronics. For example, instead of buying a brand new luxury car, consider purchasing a rental property that generates monthly income. Similarly, investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, can help you grow your wealth steadily over the years. These investments compound over time, creating significant financial growth without requiring you to showcase your wealth publicly. By focusing on assets, you ensure that your financial growth is both sustainable and discreet. Keep financial goals private. In today's age of social media and constant sharing, it's easy to feel the urge to talk about your financial goals and successes. However, discussing your aspirations and achievements can invite unnecessary scrutiny, judgment, or even envy from others. To grow wealth quietly, it's essential to keep your financial goals private. Avoid sharing details about salary increases, promotions, or major investments with friends, colleagues, or family members. Keep your investment portfolio, savings accounts, and financial plans to yourself. When people don't know about your financial progress, they're less likely to pry or ask questions. This privacy allows you to focus on your goals without external distractions or opinions. Learn tax optimization strategies. Tax planning is a powerful yet underrated tool for growing wealth discreetly. By legally reducing your tax liability, you can retain more of your earnings without drawing attention to your financial growth. Start by exploring tax-advantaged accounts such as 401ks, IRAs, or health savings accounts, HSAs, which allow you to save money while enjoying tax benefits. Additionally, if you own a small business or work as a freelancer, take advantage of deductions for business expenses, home offices, and travel costs. Investing in tax-efficient funds or municipal bonds is another effective way to grow wealth without triggering excessive tax liabilities. Proper tax optimization ensures you maximize your earnings and savings while staying under the radar. Stay debt-free, or manage it wisely. Debt can be a significant obstacle to wealth accumulation. To grow rich quietly, focus on paying off high-interest debt and avoiding unnecessary loans. Start by creating a plan to eliminate outstanding balances on credit cards, personal loans, or other high-interest obligations. If you must take on debt, such as a mortgage or student loan, manage it wisely by choosing low-interest options and making regular payments. Avoid financing luxury items or non-essential purchases, as this can trap you in a cycle of debt. A debt-free lifestyle not only enhances your financial stability, but also allows you to quietly channel more money into savings and investments. Develop valuable skills. Investing in yourself is one of the most effective ways to grow wealth. By developing high skill and skills, you can increase your earning potential without attracting attention. Focus on learning skills that are in demand, such as coding, digital marketing, graphic design, or data analysis. Additionally, consider pursuing certifications or advanced training in your field to make yourself more competitive in the job market. Freelancing or consulting in your area of expertise can also provide a lucrative side income. As you increase your earnings through skill development, you can quietly channel the extra income into savings or investments, building wealth over time. Automate savings and investments. One of the easiest ways to grow wealth without anyone noticing is to automate your savings and investments. By setting up automatic transfers, you can consistently save a portion of your income without having to think about it. For example, you can direct a percentage of your paycheck into a high-interest savings account, retirement fund, or investment account. Apps that round up your purchases and invest the spare change can also be an effective way to build wealth passively. Automation ensures consistency in your financial habits, allowing your savings and investments to grow steadily in the background. Adopt a stealth wealth mindset. Stealth wealth is a mindset that prioritizes modesty and financial discretion over outward displays of success. This means living a life that doesn't draw attention to your wealth, even if you're financially comfortable. Avoid behaviors that signal affluence, such as posting about expensive vacations, sharing your salary, or flaunting luxury items. Instead, focus on living a simple, grounded life. Practice gratitude for what you have, and prioritize experiences over material possessions. By adopting the stealth wealth mindset, you can enjoy financial success without attracting unnecessary attention. Network strategically. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your financial success. To grow rich quietly, seek out mentors, friends, or colleagues who share your values and financial goals. These individuals can offer valuable advice, share their experiences, and provide support as you work toward financial independence. Avoid associating with individuals who pressure you to spend money unnecessarily or flaunt wealth. A supportive and like-minded network will help you stay focused on your goals while maintaining a low profile. Be patient and stay consistent. Wealth accumulation is a marathon, not a sprint. To grow rich discreetly, practice patience and consistency in your financial decisions. Even small, consistent efforts, such as saving a portion of your income or investing modest amounts, can compound significantly over time. For example, investing $500 monthly in a mutual fund with a 7% annual return can result in over $260,000 in 20 years. The key is to stay committed to your goals and avoid making impulsive financial decisions. By staying the course, you'll quietly build a solid foundation for long-term financial success. Building wealth without anyone noticing is entirely possible with the right strategies and mindset. By mastering frugality, avoiding lifestyle inflation, investing in assets, and keeping your financial goals private, you can accumulate wealth discreetly and effectively. The journey requires patience, consistency, and a commitment to financial discipline. In the end, the reward is not only financial independence, but also the freedom to live life on your terms, quietly and securely. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.